results. We also have Prop 1. This is the other big thing tonight, where we're looking at if voters will approve $6 billion to try and tackle mental health issues and homeless issues across the state of California. And there you see, still early, but we have about 53% of folks saying yes, 1.5 million votes for that so far. So let's get over to our Brandon Rittiman now, because he's standing at the big board to help us take a closer look at some of these numbers, Brandon.
Yeah, and particularly you were just talking about Prop 1. You can see a bit of an urban-rural divide on this question as you look at the map of where those yes and no votes are coming from. But this doesn't exactly tell the whole story. I really like this map system that we have because I can actually turn on a heat mode right here, and you can see it's showing you just how far in the yes or no those different counties are. And when I turn that on, you can see that it's a lot closer to even than meets the eye without that heat map. And really, I think what's happening here is there's a lot of voter confusion around Prop 1. We've taken pains over the last few weeks to explain exactly what it is. But it's hard for people to make up their minds about it because it is additional money for mental health, but it's also additional money that doesn't exactly have a plan for spending that money, a concrete one. It just says it'll build more facilities for mental health, but not a list of where those facilities are going to be, nor does it have a plan to pay for all of it. So this is really an issue. It's an unfunded mandate, really, for the legislature to come up with, I think, about $300 million or so a year for 30 years to pay back the $6 billion in bonds. So anyhow, you can see just how close that is.